And it's a poem focusing on the denial of the gender and caste-based division of society. Sufi poets of Punjab, throughout the history, they place themselves in the place of the lowest rung of the society. You know, that is the churi. I'm not saying the chura, the churi, the female version. You know, she's facing the marginality, the oppression, the degradation at the hands of the landlord and also of her husband. You know, so she's facing a more deeper marginalization in the society. So, being a churi is the worst form one could ever imagine. So, let me just skip that. Let's talk about this first. This is the Chudetrinama of Shah Hussain. And I'm just in love with these. I love these lines. चूड़ी हाँ तलवार भी, ध्यान दी छजली, ज्ञान दा झाड़ू, काम क्रोध नित्य चारती. I hope everyone can understand it. No? और सब सो रहे हैं मेरी तरह लस्सी की तरह. काजी जाने, हाकिम जाने, फारिग खती वगार दी. Farig means she's free from the forced labor. It's a letter from the landowner, right? Where she's supposed to work for him for free. मन जाने या मेहता जाने टहल करा सरकार दी, कहे हुसैन फकीर न माना तरफ तेरे देदार दी. मैंने नहीं लिखा. So Bulleh Shah's is more interesting one. I'll just read a few lines from here. क्या चूड़ी क्या जात चूड़ी दी, हर कोई साथों नसे, कर कार बेकार अर्थिया होना जहां पर साईं बसे, की कुछ पड़ती लाग चूड़ी दा मुंडी और सहाना, जो कुछ दिता आप साईं ने सो घर लेकर जाना. Because she's so worthless, she can't speak for herself, she can't own anything. She just spends her life on the leftovers of the rest of the people. Phata purana paag sada bhuk tukkad saj beha, faka khadaka mangan pinnad. Pinnad is another form of आप किसी को झंझोड़ के उसको हिला के या हिला के मांग रहे होते हैं ना, उससे लड़ के मांग रहे होते हैं. That is pinnad. चाल साड़ी एहा रक्ष रछोड़ दे तीले काने, ए साड़ी कारो मैं चुडेटरियां सच्चे साहब के दरबार. Sacha Sahab is God, his mentor, his shop, his husband. So there are so many interpretations of it. And lastly, it's Farid Shah's. I'm also going to read a few lines. गरम गोहा ते नरम चुरेटड़ी, सिर बिरहूं छज चुकाए, सोनियां गलियां लगदे तक्के मां ना वेखन मारे, उच्चियां कड़ियां नीवे दरवाजे असा लिफ लिफ हार बन जाए, शरीयतों अगे लंघ तरीकत हकीकतों मार्फत जामा. So the people who do believe that Sufism has nothing to do with Sharia or jurisprudence, it's a misperception, right? So we need to reread certain sources in order to get a better understanding of all these things. And you know, these sources will help us understand more about our culture.